You've built your business over years, maybe even decades. It's your life's work, and I know firsthand how much heart and effort that takes. But lately, you might find yourself wondering, what's it actually worth? Maybe you've heard stories of business owners walking away with life changing deals, or with far less than they expected. The truth is, most business owners don't know their business's value until it's too late. And that's a problem, because whether you're thinking about selling now, in 5 years, or just want to be prepared, knowing your business's value puts you in control. It helps you make better decisions, attract the right buyers, and ultimately maximize your exit when the time comes. That's exactly why I'm hosting a live Zoom workshop this Thursday, an introduction to valuing and selling a business. I'll break down how business valuations really work without the fluff, what's happening in today's market for buying and selling businesses, the types of buyers out there, and what they're looking for. Live Q&A so you can get answers to your specific questions. This isn't about selling, it's about clarity. It's about understanding your options so you can move forward with confidence. I'd love for you to join me. The link is below. See you there.